Hi friends, let's understand 5 secrets of healing through nature. How can you heal yourself through nature? Number 1, walk with barefoot. Walk in barefoot. When you wake up early in the morning and go in the garden or go in the area where there is neat and clean and walk for 20 minutes, minimum 30 minutes, where you can connect with the earth. Because when you will connect with the earth, then what will happen, my dear friends? A lot of toxins get sucked through earth and you get electrons. It reduces inflammation and stress from our body. In childhood, we used to walk a lot barefooted, but nowadays we have forgotten. We don't walk all the time. We either wear shoes or sandals or chappals. Please don't use slippers, sandals, and shoes. What you have to use? You have to use your feet barefoot on earth. That's all. This will heal you. Second, sunbath. Sunlight therapy. Spend 15 to 20 minutes daily in natural sunlight to boost vitamin D and regulate your mood. Because by this you will be able to control your mood. You will not become moody. For example, and the best part is that when you sit in sun to and when you have to take sunbath best timing is 7 a.m. or as sun arises till 9 a.m. That is the best timing. But if you don't get time, then I will say please go till 11 a.m. also. It's okay. But don't sit with complete, you can say that, don't sit with complete full clothes. Don't. Please, there should be some exposure of sun onto your body, direct, because that sun has a lot of power to give you healing. And do you know, there are a lot of tablets you get for vitamin D, but the very frank ground, vitamin D is only possible through sun. The best possible way is to get, and the best part is that vitamin D gets stored. If you are taking daily 30 minutes of sun bath, then it's best thing, my dear friends, because it will store also and it will work for longer for your health. Then walk in nature, go in forest, immerse yourself in a forest environment to reduce cortisol levels and enhance mental clarity. My dear friends, remember what happens when we walk in forest or when we go to nature places, natural places. A very different kind of pure energy we gets connected, because nature has not emotions like us, like human beings. Nature doesn't think like hatred, anger, and he's rich, he's poor. Nature doesn't think like that. Nature behaves with everybody the same way. Sun is for everybody. Mountains are for everybody. River is for everybody. It's not only for few people or VIP people it is there. No, nature treats everybody equally. That's why when we sit in nature, when we connect with nature, then a lot of toxins and negativity itself get released and we come out of our diseases. The fourth number, what is that? Listen natural sounds like chirping of the bird, water flowing through a river, and relax yourself. Meditate in such an environment. I'll say minimum 1 week of vacation we all should spend in nature every year, minimum I'm talking about. Otherwise, please, I'll recommend at least after 2 to 3 months you must go for a vacation where you can spend your time with nature, and just eat natural food, desi food wherever you have gone. Number 5 secret. What is that? Gardening therapy. Whenever you get time, garden. If you are going in nature, Do one thing, go buy some plants and garden it. Put over there. And my dear friends, you will see. I'll say what you can do. If some people, for example, if you have went to Rishikesh and you found an area where some people had ashram or a place to live and they have a garden, what you can do? You can put 4 5 trees from your side there and you can garden in their garden. What will happen? My dear friends, remember, there is a saying, वृक्ष कबहू फल नहीं खात है, नदी न संचय नीर, परमारथ के कारणे साधुन धरा शरीर. वृक्ष कभी अपना फल नहीं खाता, नदी कभी अपना पानी नहीं पीती, और फिर भी उन्होंने अपना जो जीवन धारण किया हुआ है वह किसके लिए किया हुआ है? वो हम सभी के लिए, आपके लिए, मेरे के लिए, एंड फॉर एवरीबडी. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट इज योर ड्यूटी? Your duty is to connect with the root. And what is the root? Root is the nature. What I talked here, 5 secrets. Number 1, walk with barefoot, by which you can get earthing. Another thing, have bath in sunlight. Then walk in forest, go in jungle, go natural places and listen natural sounds. And what the 5th number is gardening. Start loving gardening. Please plant some plants, whatever you like. Remember, if your oxygen will be stopped, you won't be able to live. But how many plants till now you have planted? The answer is either 1 2 3 5 10 or no. Please do act. If you have native place, go to your native place and plant at least 100 plants. If you go to jungle or anywhere and you see somebody else's home, you take the permission and plant 5-10 plants from your side. Spend 1,000 rupees, 500 rupees from your side. This will be amazing, my dear friends. You will be able to build a connection between you and nature. When you will love nature, nature will love you. Even if you won't love nature, nature will love you still. But when you will build this connection, then you will learn this harmony will be somewhere else and the healing will start at the next level. Thank you. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like and comment in comment box on what topic you want the next video. I will shoot for you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. Love you all. And my dear friends, one more thing. Please go into my description section and join my WhatsApp group. I will invite you in my upcoming webinar where you will be able to learn many things about way healing which you have never ever heard, never ever listened, and naturally how can you heal yourself. I will talk about that. Till that time, bye-bye, take care, love you all. See you in the next program or in the next video. Thank you.